In this video we are going to make this C1 sound better. And we are going to tune in the speakers and the bass with the amplifier. There are 2 amplifiers, fun fact. I have made 2 minutes research today while we are doing it. That is gonna be fun. Okay, I just have the bass out of the car and then made 1 minute of research, so I know what I'm talking about now. Come. So this line determines the level. Oh shit. Of this we just need to have on 0 because we don't need to put more decibels into it. Low pass is set to 80 now, so that's how high the bass can go up, and this needs just to be LP for low pass, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay, now we need to get this in again. Det går faktisk ind. Okay. And I need to set it up again. Now we're gonna set this beautiful amplifier up. We can run it on 2 different dials, flat and high frequency. We're going to run it on the high because we have a subwoofer for the bass. Yeah, from up close, nice. So I'm gonna set it on high and set in the frequency to I don't know what yet, and the level I'm going to set around the same as the subwoofer. Yes. Now we're gonna test the beautiful car with music that we can play. Now I need to do something in the car. Wait, do I set? I do not have settings. I got the. We need this. Need to be at 0. Oh my god. Cute ASMR. It's beautiful. And this too is not a good. This too is 0. What more? So. Like this, I think. I don't know. Oh, what's my stuff? Like this. Okay. And what more? Okay, now we need to play music. I think. Yes. We need to play music now. Now I think we have set the bass up. So we are going to set the speakers too, so we maybe can like get some proper music. Alhamdulillah. Kan du høre dig? Now we are done, I think. We're setting it up. So now we are going home to my friend again, my best friend, to try to set up the rest in over this one. Yes. Okay, so it's been a few days since me and my best friend did the stereo, and I have not tuned it in because I didn't need to. When I came home, my dad listened to it and he said it was sounding really good and we hit it almost perfect. That is nice. I might need to fine tune it a bit, but that takes longer because I need to play a lot of songs on it and I do not drive around it so frequently. So this is the outro. I hope you like the video. Yeah.